Hey everyone, this is Prakhar Saini and you are watching MBA Unlive. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for showing so much love and support to both the videos I've made till now. Thank you so much. So, to treat my audience, today I want to talk about something really special and spicy. Today I'm going to talk about the secret of placement committee, or generally called as PlaceCom. If you have had any experience with the placement committee, then tell me in the comments below. And if you have recently been into a B school, then wait, you'll get all those experiences. And to all the PlaceCommers out there watching this video, my full sympathy is with you. Why? Just wait, I'll be talking about that in the later video. So let's get started. Number 1. Undercover detective. PlaceCommers are undercover detective. They keep an eye on each and every activity which you are doing, in what competitions you are taking part, in what jobs you are applying for, where you are doing internship, and even you are going where with whom. And wait, if you think that you are covered cause your friends are in PlaceCom, then dear, you are under the radar 24/7. Number 2, the untrue secret. Since the PlaceCommers are involved into scheduling the interviews for different students and scheduling various selection procedures for all the students in the batch for various companies visiting the campus, they have a list of companies which will be visiting the campus for summer internship and the final placement. But there are times when a company visits the campus for these purposes without any notice or on such short notice that even the PlaceCommers don't have the time to inform the batch, and the batch go bonkers on them. But the reality is sometimes even the PlaceCommer doesn't know which company might come on such a short notice for summer internship placement or the final placement. So please spare them. Secret number 3, free perks. Now it is very obvious that PlaceCommers work in the college time for the industrial activities and the campus to corporate relationship activities, but there are obvious times where they work off the college hours for placement process or the interview process, which is late in the evening or late in the night as well. So they get the perk of having free food in the canteen. And if you are a friend of PlaceCommer, you must have had free food secretly. If you know such stories, please tell me in the comments. The seldom free loader. Till now, if you didn't know, now you know that PlaceCommers have lots of work, from juggling the database to refining the data to maintaining the database to calling the HRs to having corporate connect and to call companies for the campus placement activities. So they might take this overburden of work sometimes to their advantage as well. So what they do, at times when they are free and they want to enjoy their time, they might pretend busy and ask their team members to complete their part of the project and help them in the project, and they do nothing in the project. So sometimes they can also be a free loader. But इतना तो बनता है यार. Secret number 5. Everything said and done, PlaceCom is the backbone of the entire batch, because they are the ones who are always there for the batch. They fight with the management, they adhere to the class. They are the ones who bring various corporate connects to the campus for various campus related activities and summer internship and final placement. So please support them and help them. That is for today, guys. If you like the video, hit the like button, share this video with all your PlaceCommer friends and show them how much you love and support them, and share this video with your entire class to debunk the secret of placement committee. Also, subscribe to my channel. It will be a big support and motivation for me to make more such engaging video for all of you. Till then, take care. Bye bye.